So thanks to the charging cable, I can charge my Tesla outside of my garage like this, like this, like this, or like this. Basically, anywhere on my driveway. Got the Tesla Model 3 charging in the extreme cold of the Canadian winters. And if charging is out of reach, EVDance extension cables give you the freedom to charge anywhere. Up to 50 amps, 240 volts, UV recognized, IP66 weatherproof rating. The cable is durable, it's flexible, and is built for real EV life. As you can see here, I'm charging outside of my garage, and I have the extension cable wound up here, and it goes into my garage. So I can basically charge anywhere on my driveway when the charger is inside my garage. It's been charging all night. You can see the EVDance extension cord plugged into the Tesla Model 3, and to unplug it, you just do as you normally would. I like to hang it on this hook that I made outside the house and go in my Tesla and go about the day. So I'm here inside the garage. The Tesla is currently parked outside, but I just want to show you why you need one of these EVDance extension cords if you have a Tesla. So currently it's winter time, but in the summer I usually have my bikes here. I got the E-Ride Pro, I got the Harley Electric Guide parked over there, and those are usually parked here in the summertime. And with the chargers that I have, EVDance has a lot of products for charging your Tesla. I got the 40 amp level 2 charger. So with this cord fully extended, I could basically charge the Tesla anywhere in the garage. But beyond that, you need an extension cord, and that's where these chargers are limited. So with these extension cords, basically I can charge anywhere on my driveway. And this is why it's good to have one of these if you have a Tesla and you like to charge at home. So let me demonstrate how this works. Basically, I'm going to take from the level 2 charger, which is plugged into my wall, I'm going to take the charger and plug it into the end of the extension cable. Now I have more length, 21 feet. I'll be able to run this extension cord outside. So this is basically where the charger ends. And with this extension cord, I can now and plug it in. Now you see it's ready to charge. This is the 21 foot. So I can basically charge anywhere on my driveway. But if you need a longer length, this is the EVDance 40 foot charging cable. And you can see I put a little hook on the outside. So when I'm done charging, I could just wind it up and it will hang right there. So when I park on the driveway, I could just plug it directly in. When you're done charging, just unplug it and wind it up and hang it here. So this is the 21 foot cord. And with the extension, I could park the car forward or reversed, doesn't matter, and I could reach the inside. But I got another 2 spaces. If you do need more length, this is the 40 foot, and you can see how long this one extends out to. This is basically one car length, and then this is 2 car lengths. So I could plug it here, there. It doesn't matter if I got visitors, I'm able to plug it in. I also got parking on the side where the Sprinter is. If I wanted to take this, I go all the way to the side of the house, almost all the way into the backyard. Sorry, if I park the Tesla here, I'd be able to plug it in right here too, at the side of the house. And yes, you could use these extension cords with the original Tesla charger. You can see I have the original Tesla wall charger here. And if you follow that cord, you can see the original Tesla charging gun here going into the EVDance extension cord. And got the extension cord going into the charger, and it's charging with the EVDance extension cord. So if you want one of these extension cords or one of the chargers from EVDance, I highly recommend them. Good quality. I've been using them every day to charge my Tesla without any issues. You can use my link below for a discount if you want to pick one of these up yourself, and you can check out their website for all their products related to electric charging for Teslas and other vehicles. And once you're done, you could just unclip it. You can put it in the bag. Keep it in your trunk. If you go to like a family gathering, you visit someone's house, they got a charger, and you want to charge it, you can use this. You don't got to move cars around. You can easily reach it. So you can keep one in the trunk, keep one at home, and charge basically anywhere on your driveway. That's what I use it for. And again, I use this every day. So if you want one of these, again, link is in the description below. Use my code and get a discount. Get yourself one of these extension cords. So you can just see how thick these cables are. The quality is very rigid. Very good quality. What I have here is from EVDance. It's the NACS extension cable for Tesla AC charging. And then you can see the type of connector it has here. It comes with the cable. This is an extension cable. Right here you can see the model number, the supplied voltage from 110 to 240 volts AC. It has a 50 amp max rating, and this is a total length. It has an IP66 rating for waterproofing, and the total length is 21 feet. So inside the box you get this carrying case that it comes with. And inside the case is the instruction manual. And you get the cable itself. You get these Velcros if you want to retie it up. So this is the gun part, which you'd plug into your Tesla. Comes with a rubber cap. It's got the button here for when you want to unplug it. And on this other side, you got the female end, which you'd extend this to your existing charger. And then this will lock it in. And then you can make your charging cord a lot longer.